In this tutorial, we are going to discuss two more problems, two more numerical problems. First, I will read out the problems and then I will solving the problems one after another. First problem. A bulb is rated 200 volt 100 watt. Calculate its resistance. If 10 such bulbs work for 10 hours, what is the electric energy consumed? And what will be the cost of electricity if the rate is rupees 460 per unit? 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. So this is the second numerical problem. I will be discussing the third numerical. I will read out the third numerical problem, which is an electric heater draws a current of 10 ampere from a 220 volt main. Main means power supply. Calculate the cost of running the heater for 10 hours per day for a month if the cost of 1 unit of electricity is rupees 5. Now this is what the instruction is. First of all, you already know the formulas. So first I would suggest that you stop or pause. Actually, you should pause the video here. Second, you solve these two numerical problems on your own. By using the formulas that you have learned so far. And when you have solved these problems, when you have finished solving the problems, you resume the video. That means start the video again from where you have paused, and then you compare your result check your solution with mine. Okay, so what I suggest, you pause it now and start solving. Okay, so I hope by now you have already solved these two problems. So here is my solution. Okay, solving the numerical problem number 2. Okay, now the bulb is rated 200 volt 100 watt and we have to calculate the cost of operation. Okay, now first of all we need to calculate the resistance. Okay, to calculate the resistance we will use the formula P equal to V square upon R. First, because we have to first calculate the resistance of the lamp. Now power of the bulb is 100 watt. The bulb, the voltage is 200 volt. Therefore from the formula P equal to V square upon R, we can get R equal to V square upon P, which is equal to 200 square upon 100, which is equal to 2 into 200, which is 400 ohms. So this is the power of the bulb. Again, this is the resistance of the bulb. Resistance of the bulb is 400 ohms. So this is the first part of the solution. Resistance of the bulb is 400 ohms. Now next we have to calculate the electrical energy that is consumed, and from that we have to calculate the cost of operation. To calculate the electrical energy, we will be using the formula E equal to, this is the second part of the solution. The formula that we will be using is E equal to P multiplied by time, that is energy into power into time. Now the bulb is 100 watt, that means 100 by 1000 kilowatt, and time is 10 hours, and and number of bulbs is 10. So total energy consumption will be power multiplied by hours of operation multiplied by number of bulbs. That means 10 bulbs and 10 hours. So I calculated the power in kilowatt by time for each bulb, which is 10 hours, and total number of bulbs. So 100 by 1000 into 10 into 10. So in this way I can calculate the energy for all the 10 bulbs. So I multiplied by 10 and then again 10. So which comes to 10 kilowatt hour. So this is the energy consumption for 10 bulbs when they are operating or when they are running for 10 hours. Now what is the cost? The cost is obtained from the formula energy consumption multiplied by rate, and energy consumption is 10 kilowatt hour and rate is rupees 460. So therefore it comes to 46 rupees. So this is the answer to numerical problem number 2. Let us quickly solve the numerical problem number 3 so that you can compare your result. Here is the problem number 3. The electric heater draws a current of 10 ampere from 220 volt main. Calculate the cost of running the heater for 10 hours per day for a month. The rate of the cost is rupees 5 per kilowatt hour. That is the rate of electrical energy. Now energy equal to power multiplied by time. Now they have not given the power, but they have given the voltage and ampere. So there is a formula to calculate power from voltage and ampere, and that formula is P equal to V into I. So once we obtain the power from here, we'll use this value of P to calculate the electrical energy. Now voltage is 220 volt and current flow is 10 ampere, so it comes to 2200 watt, which is 2.2 kilowatt by dividing with 1000. Therefore energy consumption is 2.2, which is in kilowatt. Time is 10 hours per day, and for 1 month that is multiplied by 30. So it comes to, that is 10 hours per day for 30 days. So we can calculate the total energy consumption using the power in kilowatt multiplied by total time in hours. So which comes to 2.2 multiplied by 300, which is equal to 660 kilowatt. That is the total energy consumption for 1 month. So what is the cost? Multiply this 660 by 5, which comes to 330 rupees. So this is the cost of running the heater for 1 month for 10 hours per day.